Welcome, this is Minu Chaudhary for Channel NE24. The AGP-BJP alliance officially launched its campaign in the Sunai constituency with the inauguration of a campaign office for Zilla Parishad candidate Ahmed Fatima Begum Lashkar. The event held in Kazidahar was led by Aisha Sultana Chaudhary, Central General Secretary of the AGP Minority Council, along with BJP Minority Morcha Vice President Hamidul Islam Lashkar. Speakers at the event strongly criticized Congress and AIUDF, accusing them of disrupting communal harmony and hindering regional development. Chaudhary recalled AGP's past contribution under Anwar Hussain Lashkar, who won the Sunai seat in 1996 and worked for the inclusive growth. She blamed outsider MLAs for the constituency's stagnation since then. Hamidul Islam Lashkar alleged that Congress is more focused on selling panchayat tickets than serving the people, contrasting with the alliance committed to transparency and public welfare. The campaign also extended support to Anjana Nath, AGP's candidate for Kazidahar Gaon Panchayat seat. The event was presided over by Ibo Char Singh and attended by several local leaders and supporters for both AGP and BJP. For more news and updates, subscribe our channel NE24, YouTube, and support us by following our Facebook page.
এখন এসে যাই আমার সুনাই সমষ্টির ভিতরে